As I began this project, I quickly realized that it was just as important to understand why initiatives and programs increase secondary attainment as it is to understand what they are. So this video will discuss how to navigate the attached presentation and the research question, what are the characteristics of effective secondary retention improvement or dropout prevention programs? To do this, I turned to the National Dropout Prevention Center and used Drs. Smink and Shargle's work as a basis for understanding. I also explored other resources that ultimately reaffirmed the same strategies in an international context, such as UNICEF's series on improving education participation. As we look at the strategies, we see that the National Dropout Prevention Center identifies 15 effective strategies for dropout prevention programs, and those are categorized into these 4 groups. Although these strategies are identified individually, often they overlap and work together to create a holistic approach. As research participants or secondary teachers in Delhi government schools discussed the initiatives that they found to support students in their secondary attainment, specific strategies became more and more prominent. Those strategies are identified in maroon or dark red. As you explore each group, you'll see that some are identified and some are not. For the ones that were identified, there's additional information or research about those strategies and how it provides context into the Delhi initiatives. For strategies that were not primary or dominant in the Delhi government initiatives, those are still identified. However, just a short, brief description of those are listed. If you're interested in learning more about each strategy, you can visit the sources page, where you'll find various resources to dive deep into these strategies. Happy exploring!